Okay, the next part of our project is to do what's called a shell. We'll shell this thing out, give it a thickness. We don't need this piece anymore. There's that, and Rhino does not have a shelling feature, so we'll have to draw that ourselves. So it's no real big deal. Let's turn off the green and the red. Don't need this anymore. And I guess we'll use white anyway. Show up nice and good. First thing we're going to do is select this and hit dupe border. And so there's a curve at the outside of that. And then there's several ways to do this, but I'm simply going to draw a plane here and through here and there we go. And maybe we'll do some here. There's a wireframe command, I think, that would probably make this easier. As a matter of fact, let's try that. Now that I have everything drawn, I was going to do an intersection, but that's lame. Let's see. Silhouette, extract wireframe. No, that's not it. Darn it. Section, here it is. Select objects for section. Then you just draw. That's a little easier. It's kind of like CSEC profile, only it's just going through there. Yeah, that's what we want. That way I can see what we got going on for making a shell. And my one idea for doing this is to oh, that's not very exciting. Join. I guess that means I don't need this side. Delete that and just mirror it. Join. 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 Okay. Rebuild. '83 to 21 preview. We want it to relax like a ton. Even more. There we go. Rebuild to 9 preview. Yep. So just really super curvy. Rebuild. That can be like 5. Yep. This one too. Preview. 5. Okay. Rebuild. 9. Yeah. Yep. Oh. Join. join, rebuild. Alrighty, this one's going to get mirrored to the other side. Alrighty, and let's work in this viewport here. Let's select this, and we'll offset. Let's go 1.5. Alright, so the outside ones have to go away. Let's just see what happens if we curve network this. Yeah, I thought so. Okay. Oh, let's offset this one too. Offset. Alrighty. And see ya. Join. Rebuild. Huh. That means there's more than one. Oh. Let's see. Rebuild. Ah, come on. What's the deal? Oh, bad. Join. There we go. That's fairly relaxed. Maybe a little more. We want this to be smooth. There we go. We want this to be smooth so we can obviously build it and polish it in there and so on. Alright. We need to make a surface down here. And we're going to extend, select the boundary object, it'll be this floor, type equals arc. So that all extends down to the floor. Alright, I'm going to try to get rid of these two. Let's hide those. Yeah, it doesn't understand that. Alright. I'm going to hit pause here for a sec. Okay. In order to do the curve network, we're going to have to change things up a little bit here. And this one's good to go. Well, it's not hitting there, so we need to orient to. Transform orient to copy equals no. And we got to go from there to there, and then back to I guess near. Where's the center line? Right there. There. And we'll go perpendicular. There we go. So that's in place. I'm not a real big fan of this undercut here. I'd rather have this go straight, so we're gonna fix that. That's not good, especially if we're gonna mill this thing. All depends on how we're gonna output it, but regardless, let's turn on the quad. Yep. Alright. Trim. Alright, that's good. And, you know, I don't even think I need these. There we go. And trim. And you get split by you. Alright. Alright, so now we're going to watch over here, but we're going to pick the intersect down there. Oops, gotta be able to see down there. Ow, come on. Thought I had it. Alright, so we watch over here, looking for it to go down there. Intersect, lower intersect, boom. Boom. Alright, bye-bye. Then we have to 1D scale this. So here's the way I like to do that. We go straight across there. Except for I didn't. Alright. You 1D scaled. From there straight up. There to there. Ooh, that was tricky. There we go. And one D scale. Boy, whenever I'm having this much trouble finding the, see, we need to stay right on the center line of this. So let's go over here. You and you and you. Intersect. Ah, jeez. Okay. Hope this is worth it. Okay, everyone. My goodness. Be nice if Rhino came out with a shelling command. Alright, so now we need to split this up. And you get split. No. You get split by this one and this one. These don't touch. Super. Orient 2. It's important that these match, obviously, or I wouldn't be doing this. Okay. Alright. Ideally these would match. I'm gonna wing it. Maybe not. It's hard to wing it. Is that where it meets? Yeah, close enough. Alright, so you get split by you. And this one right here needs to be split. Right there. Okay, so that should mean that this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one are a curved network. And they are. Yay. Whew. And the rest of these would be a curve network. What? Oh, gotta pick the other. I wonder if I could do them all. Nope. Didn't think so. It's gotta be these. It's gotta stop. It has to have a border. And, yep. And then these. Yep. Alright, so in theory, join. You know what I would do is rebuild these on the surface level. Oh, 20. There we go. And we would merge. Where's merge? This one to this one. There we go. That makes it one surface, one smooth surface. Then we could actually go back and rebuild this again. 20 and 12. There we go. Nice smooth surface for the shell. I'll put that on red maybe. Alright. Whew. That took forever. And after all that, it seems kind of thick to me. Actually. So, let's rebuild it. Or offset it. Let's try that. Let's just taunt matrix. Offset distance 0.5. There we go. So, bye-bye. And, yeah. There's our kind of smooth skeleton. Cool. Ooh, does that hit right there? Oh, bumming. That goes up. Whoa. Oh, goes up into there. Cage edit. Cage edit. What did we do before cage edit? I guess we turned on what do we? Y. So 5. Y is 9. 4 is fine. And there we go. Fixed. There's I can tell. Yeah, fixed. Cool. And that'd be a big rebuild. Big ol' rebuild. Okay. Alright. Didn't mess anything up, did I? No. Alright. That took forever. And then, besides the gems, we need to do the back piece. So dupe edge border, dupe border. Alrighty, and hide. Alright, let's move this from somewhere along here to there. And then we'll 1D scale, or not, 2D scale. Huh. Ooh, that was crooked. That was crooked. Something's crooked. Oh, that is. Oh boy. Uh-huh. That is not flat. Okay, let's fix that. That's exciting. That's very exciting. Okay. Yep. Fixed. Surface plane. You get split by you. Oops. There we go. Oh, yeah. YouTube border. Alright, that's better. You 2D scale. There. Oh, that's not horrible. Fairly close to what we want. So, let's get a line snapped down the middle. Wow, we don't have a midline? Seriously? I don't know how they got that way. Excuse me. Got kind of a cold. You and you intersect, I guess. Alright, there's the center line. Alrighty. Leave that one alone. And bring this back. Alright. We start drawing quickly. We draw a circle and the arc direction out past this. Oh, lock. There we go. Huh. Why would I get that? I don't know. I have to have this so it hits the edge here. I gotta have I'm looking at this shape. That one's no good. Alright, let's offset this. We're going to do a bunch of offsets. How thick do I want that? That's about how thick they all are. Somewhere right in there. Some are thicker than others. So let's do that. And that distance, if we do offset again, is... Ooh, let's do 0.5. 0.5. Oh, I got excited there. 0.5. There we go. Alright, so now I know where that's going to hit. And so I can come over here, right at the end of that, and it's going to come out over here somewhere and do its business. And it's going to offset 0.5. Yes, that's what we're looking for. All that going on. And this one is gonna... Oh, bummer. I'm already messed up. Oh boy. Let's go. This has to come over here about 0.25 away from that one. There we go. So this needs to offset to the other side of that one, give or take. Alright. And, oops. That one goes there and comes over here somewhere. And kinda does its business. And it offsets this way. No. This one rotates. Like that. Alrighty. And another line going from here over to the center, give or take. This one offsets this way. Alrighty, and we come over here and over here somewhere and do that. And this one offsets. And those two mirror. There we go. Alright, so there's a mirror of this one, and we'll mirror this one. And that's got to somehow get down clear over to here. Let's try extend on an arc. Extend. This is the border. Enter. Arc. Go for it. Yeah. Rah. Okay. Simple pleasures. Mirror from there. extend. This is the border here. Enter. That'll work. Okay. I guess we'll blend from here to here. Alright. A circle here. Yep. And an arc direction from quad to here. Shift for ortho. Trim. Join. Offset. Cool. What do we do here? This one comes along. So I need a from here to, let's say here, I do something like that, and this one offsets to here. Those two mirror from here to here, I guess. I don't like the fact that that one. I don't like that sliver over there. I don't want that. I guess I want that. Huh. Let's see. That's gonna do. I have thickness to this already. I guess we'll do this. Okay. And arc direction from here to up a little there. Bend U, offset, offset, there we go. I guess that's about it. Alright, so there's the trace job. And now I guess it's time to, well, I guess we'll trim first. And we need to keep everybody inside here. You know, I wonder. No, I can't. There's a There's a curve Boolean function that is pretty cool. But they all have to be touching. Well, they have to anyway. Let's undo this. They all need to be hitting each other. Let's try it. Let's try something that we know will work. So here's curve Boolean. Delete input, none. Combine regions, yes. So you click inside the region that you want to keep. Yeah, that's not going to work out. Never mind. This one has to go extend arc. There we go. Alright. Now it's a big exercise in trim. Oh man, already I'm extend, enter. Yeah, we'll fix that. We'll fix that in a minute. Let's see, this has to do all this business. There we go. And you, and you, and you. There we go. Coming around, let's get rid of that one and that one and that one and that. We'll let this come over here, and that'll be how that hangs on to that. There we go. Cool. Alright. Yeah. Let's see. Guess I'll go with that one. Alright, we gotta fix that first. All this little shrapnel here. Let's do a circle here. Oh, I can just do that. Alright, let's go here. Nope, can't do that. Then, let's see what we got. Nope. There. And offset. Here's how thick it has to be. So, trim. And we will blend from there to there. And that will have to do. It'll do just fine. Mirror. Cool. I'm going to trim this out. Alright, and one last trim operation is out here. Because this is its own standalone piece. That would be milled or grown separate. Join. 10 open curves. That's just not a good sign. 17. So we pick all open curves. We go to Super Select, select open curves, and I missed something. Huh. Join. Okay, super. Let's see. Oh. That's bad. Oh! Undo. Explode. Now trim. Join. This is really too thin right there. So I guess I would take the liberty of changing their design a slight bit and trim this like so. Yeah. Join. Alright, so I'm left with this. This says it's an open curve. What is this? What? Valid curve, open polycurve. We go to mark curve start and mark curve end. And then we zoom in and we discover the problem. trim. So that was oops. That was mark curve start, mark curve end, and where those dots go is the discrepancy. And then we choose open curves, and we have what? Oh, 28 curve. Okay, so select all open curves. 8 curves added to the selection. Oh, they're itty bitty little tiny ones, and we delete them. Then we come back and we go, give me all the open. There aren't any. Ha! Yay. I would say this should go in a job bag, because that took a long time to make. And I should have debatably not had that running the whole time of that video, but what are you going to do? And alright, now we just need to create a surface across here, and then extrude this to a depth. But there's the back of that, so I'm going to do that real quick. Alright, so there's a surface right there. No big deal. And I just extruded this. Used to extrude here. 0.7. It's pretty thin, but it looks about right. So there's that business. And the pave that's going to go on there is going to be best left. Let's put this on here. Turn that off and hit show. There it is. We'll put this on this one too. Alright, and probably best done by hand, just with gem on surface. If you recall, these were half pointers. There's a round one right there. Right there. Alt. Oh, I'm off the deal though. Might have to fix that a little bit. Oh, plus I'm way too low. Yeah. Come on up to the nose. And moving on down. Yep. That's what we're talking about, although we may cheat this in a bit. Like so. Mirror. Like so. Yeah. Yep. Okay, now the tricky part perhaps is the teeth. We're going to give that a shot. And we're going to draw arc direction. Nobody. And that's the X direction. We want to center. We want to go center. Utilities. Center. just X. There we go. And those project onto and we get rid of the ones we don't need by deselecting these and hitting delete. There's the curves between which my baguettes are going to go. Okay, in order to do these, we need to sink these into the surface some. So let's go ahead and solid extract surface, right? Oh boy. Those two. Put that on purple. Turn off the green. Alright. Hopefully this will work. Let's not undo those. Or hide them. Yeah. Let's put those on blue. Turn them off. Okay. Offset curve. Normal to surface. No, I can't do that. Oh, it's this one. This one. Offset normal to surface. Select curve on surface. Select the surface. And we need to go in about that far. Enter. And let's do that again. Curve. Base surface. Oh, bummer. Oh man, I'm backwards. There we go. You move from there to there. Close enough. Join. And we'll do the same. Yeah. We'll do the same with this. So there's offset curve on surface. And how do we know? Looks pretty close to me. Curve. You move from you to you. Join. Oh boy. And so now these two. Okay, so now we do the tapered baguette builder, which is right here. Build baguette channel. Alright, put those curves in there. Oh, okay, I have 1 and 1.2. I have 40, 60, 80, 100. There's what I have. Let's go middle on and apply. And it sits and builds baguettes that look like, drum roll, look like that. Can't say that that's, I don't really like that one. Oh, I can't do that. Undo, undo, undo. How close do we get to being across from each other there? Oh, we're very close. Let's draw a box. Yeah. That's pretty darn close. So, we got this, we got this. And, let's join this up for now. Join. And, right click that layer. F6. And we don't get channel. So, we'll go over to cutters and do our own channel. By putting those in there. There we go. And cap a square. Cap be the same because mirror's on. And the depth oh, that needs to go all the way through though. That's not going all the way through. Or maybe it doesn't. Maybe we're gonna knock holes through all those. Yeah. Maybe we're gonna do that. Enter. You get cut by. This is gonna be about it for the video, I think. You get cut by you. Enter. Uh-oh. Did it fail? No. Yeah, I just didn't have cutter. I didn't have cutter, delete cutter on. Yeah, oh boy. Cool. And then each one of these is going to get a gem cutter. Yeah, like that. But it's going to be smaller. So girdle scale. Down, down, down. Like that. And the depth. Lower depth goes. Oh boy. There we go. And girdle scale. Or what do we got? Lower seat size. Yep. Enter. You get cut by everybody orange. Let's just undo that, because that's driving me crazy. That delete input equals yes, orange. That's what we're talking about right there. And because it's a render, we're gonna attempt to fillet this edge. Oh. Who knew? Clean living right there. Alright. Alright, get out much. So there's Mr. Skull. Gotta do another row of teeth. Gem on surface. I mean, that's pretty easy. You go gem. I'm gonna place a gem. There's the size. You go, hey, on a surface, and it goes, hey, what surface? And you go, hey, the wrong surface. No, is that it? That's it right there. I would tend to go around the outside. You know? Doo-doo, they're all going crazy. Yep. That's what I do. I don't know. That's not a very good layout, but you get the idea. I can't stop all of a sudden. My movie's getting longer and longer. The file size is going up and up. Uh-oh. Alright. A couple we can fix in there. Alright. That's about it.